Welcome back, everybody. This is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. Hey, I just realized something about this lock, and I got it installed correctly, but I could have made a big mistake, and it has to do with this little spindle. So this spindle has to be installed before you ever put this lock on, so that the drawer is in the lock position when you put this spindle. So let me show you this little update to my video. And here's why I say this about the spindle being in the locked position. I read the manual a little tighter. There's no way to adjust this once you've got the lock on. This particular little jewel only goes on in the lock position. So if you don't have this locked up in the lock position when you slide this little handle on, you can't get to the, I can't turn this. I could probably do it with a pair of pliers. Let me see if I can do that. Guess what, guys? I just figured something out. You can do it with a nice little teeny adjustable wrench. So it has to be in the lock position. I just by accident got that in the right position. So if you just take a little wrench and you turn this in the unlocked position now, so you don't really have to take your lock off if you've done it wrong. It's in the unlocked position. So now that little latching mechanism inside the lock mechanism is in the unlocked position. So when you put this handle on, it only goes in the lock position. So you can't really, so it's in unlocked, and it's saying right here that it's in the lock position. So here's what you need to do. You need to either read the manual before you put it together, or you can take a wrench and you can put it in the lock position. Now the drawer's in the lock position, and when you put this handle on, and now I can now tighten it on correctly, and now it's in the unlocked position. See how that works? So thank goodness for an adjustable wrench. Otherwise, you'd have to pull your lock off, remove the battery, unscrew the battery, pull the lock off the cabinet just to turn that spindle. But you can get in there with a wrench. So there's a little update to a locksmith mistake. Thanks for viewing. Please tell your friends, subscribe to my channel for more door and lock tips.